Hello guys, welcome back to Java Revisited channel. So in today's video, I will show you guys how to find sum of two integers without using plus operator. So let's get started. Before that, if you are new to our channel, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the bell button to receive the latest notification. So to solve this problem, we're going to use half-adder logic to add two single pieces. So this table here will help us to calculate the bitwise SOR and bitwise N. Bitwise SOR is sum here and bitwise N is the carry here. So I have this example: A is equal to 2 and convert into binary, we have this number. And b equal to 3, convert into binary, we have this number. And after adding two binary numbers together, we will have 0 plus 1. As you can see, 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 0, but we have carry 1 here, so we have 0 and we have carry 1, and 0 plus 0 is 0, but we have carry 1, right? So we plus 1 more. So we will have 1 here, and the rest of it is 0 because 0 plus 0 is 0. So we're gonna have about 5 0. Yes, so this binary number here will equal to the number 5, and we will return this number. So how can we implement this into our program? So we're going to use bitwise SOR, bitwise N, and left shift. So firstly, we're going to calculate SOR of A and B. So we have this number. As you can see, 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 0 here, and the rest of it is 0, right? But you see that 1 plus 1 we have carry 1, so we need to calculate this carry. So we will calculate the carry of A and B by using A and use bitwise N with B. We will have this number because 0 plus 1, we have 0 here as the carry column. As you can see, 0 plus 1 is 0 and 1 plus 1 is 1, so we have 1 here, and then the rest of it is 0. And after that, we need to left shift, so this number to this position, right? So we will left shift it by 1, so this number 1 here will be left shift 1 position. So and then we're gonna take this A SOR B and SOR with this carry. So we're gonna have this number here, just exactly like the number I just calculated for you at the beginning of the algorithm part. So and then this is not finished yet, we need to calculate the carry one more time to make sure that this number don't have any carry left. So we're gonna take this SOR and this carry left shift 1 here. We're gonna have all the number is 0, right? So at this time, when all the number is, when the carry is 0, we're gonna return this number as the result of A plus B. It means 2 plus 3, we have number 5. So let's go it up. The elimination of this problem is similar to the algorithm that I just explained for you guys. So firstly, I will create a function to add two numbers without using an operator. So that function should return an integer, and I will name it add, and we'll take two integer as a parameter. So like say the algorithm, firstly we will calculate the SOR, right? We calculate SOR number 1 and number 2, and then we will calculate the carry of number 1 and number 2 using bitwise and operator, and then we will left shift it by 1, right? We will but at this point we should check if the carry is equal to 0. It means that there is no carry left, so we will return this SOR. Otherwise, we will call the function again, but we will left shift the carry by 1. We should return this function, right? Okay, and we finish the add function without using operator, and here we will create a driver code. So I should like call scan object to add an integer. Okay, so bring not until let's make it simple. We just call the function and bring down the result, right? So we will sum the number 2 and number 3, and we call the add function we just created. We input 2 and 3 here. So let's run the program. Oh, sorry, I should click display button first. So yeah, sum of 2 and 3 is 5. So let's try another number, right? How about 5 and 6? Is it still resume the correct? It is 11. You should change to 6 and 5. 5 and yeah, it is correct. So our algorithm and our implementation is working well without any error. If you guys have any question regarding to this exercise or regarding to Java, just comment below. I will answer all of your questions as soon as possible.
That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, please give us a like and comment your opinion below. In the next video, I will show you guys how to check isomorphic strings in Java. So see you guys in the next video.